welcome back to the channel. In front of us we have a Harbor Freight 30-inch tech cart. So today we're going to be opening it up, putting it together, and getting some tools in it. So let's go. Now my choice was the slate gray variant of the 30-inch tech cart, or mechanic cart as it's actually called. They have quite a few colors. I think there's like 5. It's the usual suspects, you know, black and red and green. You know, but I like the gray. It's got black trim. I think now you can get the black trim on all of them, but you have to buy it and put it in yourself, which is no big deal. But I think it's a nice color combination together, so I went with that one. So we're going to open it up. From what the guy at Harbor Freight said to me, it would appear that it's mostly together anyway. And that there really isn't much to put together myself. And I would tend to believe him. And we've got some awesome cardboard here that we can use for stuff. It's like 2-ply. Now this is a 5-door box. I think they have another variant with less doors, but I'd like more doors to be able to lock my stuff. Just in case. Instructions, I will need those. Let's see. Lots of keys, that's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 keys it looks like. So far I'm digging it. Truly am. As I recall, this has to be, or is it locked? It might be locked too. Oh no, it's got these. Those are nice. Well, let's get it out of here. And we'll put it on something. Wow! That's a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. Alright guys, so I got the box assembled, got my tools in it, and I'm very happy with it. Pretty sturdy, lots of room. I got everything from my other box into it, organized, everything that I need. Things I didn't need I left out, but you know, we've got wrenches up here to clear room. I'm going to hang my gloves up, but we got screwdrivers in their spots, pick tools, sockets, 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch, ratchets, more picks, tape measure, stuff like that. All my vice grips, all my, you know, pliers and cutting tools, plastic things, stuff like that. Air tools, body hammers on this side, miscellaneous over here, so the screwdrivers that are too long for this. Alignment pins, deep impact sockets because these are shallow, wrenches that are extra. I've got my long pry tool here that it would fit in the side, but the handle sticks up too much for the lid to close. That's also why those screwdrivers are there. And then down here, just electric tools, you know, impact guns, ratchets, drill, cutters, things like that. And then my battery charger's here, and this is the only one I really need because it's got a M18 and an M12, so that should be good. Overall, very happy with this toolbox. I got everything I needed into it. It's going to be nice. I'll be able to move it around, bring it to vehicles, stuff like that, so very happy with this. So with that, guys, until the next one, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.